Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your HP OMEN Transcend 14. First you should turn it on, of course, with the power button which is on the top right key on your keyboard, and if it doesn't turn on then of course plug it in, but even if it does, it's best to plug it in so it doesn't discharge during your process of setting up. And at first select the country or region. Then click on yes and select the right keyboard layout. Now click on yes, and if you want to add another keyboard layout you can click on that layout, but I'm gonna skip it. Then connect to a network, and if you don't want to connect to a network you should watch a video on our channel on how to set up without Microsoft account, and that'll help you with that. Although I'm just gonna do the standard process with the network, which if you don't skip then it's mandatory. And it also will prompt you to log into Microsoft account, so like the video about skipping Microsoft account is about skipping both the Microsoft account and the Wi-Fi. So you actually even shouldn't connect to Wi-Fi before skipping the Microsoft account. So just go ahead and watch that video. Then you can return back into this video, because this video is gonna show you the whole process, and in that other video there's only about about skipping the Microsoft account, not about the whole setup. But also if you skip the Wi-Fi then probably some other steps will just disappear. Some of the steps that are here will disappear. Now I have accepted the license agreement and skipped renaming the device because I don't need to do it. I can do it later if I want, and now if I do it during the setup it will require me to restart the laptop, and I don't really want to restart it now. Then I need to sign into the Microsoft account since I didn't skip it. If you don't have it, you can also create it with Create One button. Enter the password to Microsoft account and it'll get logged in. Now you can also set up Face Unlock, which I really like, so I'm just gonna set it up. In order to do it, you need to look straight into the camera for a moment. I think I need to move closer. And now I'm set up. So let's click on next. Then I need to create my PIN so I can log into my user account without entering the Microsoft account password. You can also include letters and symbols, of course. And now I highly recommend selecting on your own whether you want to let Microsoft use your location, find your device. I think that finding your device is pretty useful because it lets you locate your device if it got lost or stolen. But I'm just gonna skip everything, although as I said, I highly recommend reading them on your own and deciding based on your preferences. Now, if this screen shows, that means that your Microsoft account has a backup. So if you want to restore from that backup, you can click on Continue, or click on More Options to select a different backup or set up as new PC, which I'm gonna do. Now, a few finishing steps. Most of them are gonna be just suggesting me like buying something or whatever. So I think I'm gonna skip everything, but feel free to decide on your own as well. So here I'm gonna skip customizing my experience because it only customizes the ads on your system. Then I'm gonna skip connecting to my phone, but feel free to scan that QR code if you want to connect. Then I'm gonna back up my files so I don't lose my data in case anything happens to my device. I'm gonna skip backing up my photos from my phone to OneDrive, and I'm gonna also skip importing my data from the previous browser. Now it'll ask me about Microsoft 365, so I'm gonna decline it because it costs $130 per year for the family version, and for the basic one, $2 per month, so I'm also gonna decline it. Now I'm gonna click on next to use Microsoft 365 for free, so I will have just a limited experience of the Microsoft 365, but I don't really care about it. And now everything is set up. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.